This one is all about using the audio tool in OneNote, and it's a pretty cool tool. It's very specific to OneNote. And what we can do is record our voice and insert it on the page. So for this activity and how we're going to practice it is we're going to describe what is happening in the photo. And so what we do is we click inside this green box, and then we're looking up here for audio. So this is our option here. It's kind of sitting about in the middle once we're in insert. So what we do is we click on audio. Now this is going to start to prepare, and it does just start automatically recording. There's no kind of countdown, no 3, 2, 1. You'll notice here that it is counting down or counting up, sorry, as it's going. And so what we want to do for this activity is, what's happening in this photo. I can see a group of people standing on a start line, getting ready to run. And then when I'm finished, I just click stop. And then I have my audio recording sitting in there ready to go. Now, you can't edit these recordings. You can't trim the front or the end or anything along those lines. So if you do happen to make a mistake and you feel like you can't submit that, you do have to choose to delete that and start again. But basically, once it's in there, what it means is that we can click on it and then click this little play button, and we'll be able to hear that back. So I want you to do the same thing and have a go at doing the 2 remaining activities there.